Minasan konnichiwa, welcome to my channel! Parang ewan lang. Hindi pa talaga ako sanay magsabi ng welcome to my channel na andito ang mukha ko. Para pagpasensyahan nyo na po. By the way, I will be doing my first unboxing today. Unboxing video for today. About the products that I got from Innisfree. Baliktad yung camera, so baliktad din yung letter. Before pandemic, gumagamit na talaga ako ng some Innisfree products, especially the green tea seed skincare. Hindi, ang hirap i-pronounce. Green tea seed skincare set nila. So, before pandemic, I was using this for 2 years. And then, yung nag-start yung corona. So, nung nag-start ang corona, mahirap na mag-order online. I tried once sa eBay. Hindi talaga dumating yung order ko. Dumaan na yung 2 buwan yata. So, I tried to contact the seller. Walang reply. And then, I did contact the customer service ng eBay. So, I requested for cancellation. At luckily, nabalik naman yung pera na binayad ko. So, wala talagang dumating na product. As in, grabe. So, after that, hindi na ako nag-order via online. Kaya tumigil muna ako sa paggamit ng Innisfree product. And then, kasi yung website din ng Innisfree, parang nag-close din yata sila yung website nila for online shopping. So, tumigil muna ako. And, I heard na meron dito sa Japan na mga shops, but before I only knew na it's only in Osaka and in Tokyo area and wala pa dito sa Fukuoka. And then last January too, when my friend and I, nung paikot-ikot kami sa Fukuoka City to do some window shopping, na-surprise ako kasi meron na palang Innisfree shop in Fukuoka. Okay, the girl in me is very happy. And I bought some product. Finally. This is their, yeah, I got some cream again. So this is the product that I bought. Ano ba yan? Pabalik-balik. Kasi Christmas, so ganito yung niya, packaging. Naka green holiday siya. So, i-open natin kung ano ang laman niya. Yeah. So, this one. Ganda niya. The green tea seed serum. So, kasi ako, para hindi siya madali maubos, tinitipid ko talaga siya sobra. And, this is the foam cleanser. Kung hindi to siya holiday package na ang kulay nito is green. Parang kanito yung kulay ng packaging niya. Yeah, this is the parang tetra pack na version of the product. And the eye cream. Hindi siya ayaw niya lumabas. Ayaw lumabas. And this is no, this is not eye cream. This is the cream. Okay, the green tea seed cream. At ang cost pala ng product na binili ko, yung amount is 7,190. Pero yung product na binigay nila sa akin is worth sobra 7,000 kasi ang dami kong natanggap na freebies. I got a discount for 1,500. So, ito yung product na binili ko, yung set, ang set na to and the toner. So, I got the toner. Ito lang talaga yung binili ko, but I got a discount for 1,500. And do you want to see what are my freebies? Ang dami kong natanggap na freebies. This bag. Yeah. Hindi siya matawag na freebies. I purchased, aside from the cream that I bought, ito pa yung mga na-receive ko na product from them. So, ito yung mga nasa pouch na to. The Jeju Cherry Blossom Jelly Cream. And the Jeju, ang hirap i-pronounce. Ang hirap maging Bisaya. Jeju Cherry Blossom Tone Up Cream. And I have some face masks. Some of the face masks ay binigay ko na sa aking friend. Yeah, I gave her the ampule pala. I gave her the ampule. And I have this this pour. Ang hirap i-pronounce. Pagpasensyahan nyo na, ang tigas ng dila ko. Pore Care Set with Volcanic Clusters. It's clusters. The Pore Care Set with Volcanic Clusters. Yeah. Ito yung nasa pouch. Imagine. And meron pa pala. Wow! Merong eyeshadow. Yeah, eyeshadow. And then, some nail polish. Magagamit ko kaya to. Hindi naman ako nagmamanicure. Hindi ako marunong mag-manicure. And, I have some cleansing water. And I got a small foam cleanser. So, meron na akong maliit pa na foam cleanser. Magagamit ko to travel. And let's check what else inside the bag. So, meron pa itong mga ampule. Yung ampules, nandun na sa kaibigan ko kasi marami na daw akong freebies. So, bigyan ko sa kanya. Hindi ko maalala kung anong mukha ng ampules. And then, I got some mga ano dito, parang sample set for that. So, ito yung mga kasali ko sa freebies. Ang dami. And, what else? Yeah, ito. The Green Tea Balancing Skin X. And the Green Tea Seed Serum. So, very convenient pa ito sa akin sa magta-travel ako. And I got this one. So sweet. Magagamit ko itong mag-travel sobra. I hope to travel soon. Nakakatawa talaga bumili ng product sa Innisfree kasi marami silang freebies. Before, yung last order ko sa kanila, I got a lot of freebies. Yung na-receive ko that time is sleepers. Wow, last time sleepers for traveling, now is pillow for traveling too. Parang sign na ba ito na magta-travel na tayo uli. Thank you, Innisfree, and I hope to be back to your shop in Foucault in Tianjin soon. I'm just so happy and thankful for all the freebies. I hope you enjoy my unboxing, guys.